Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today I am releasing one more video about Reliance Industries. Reliance Industry Chairman Mukesh Ambani has released press news that they are going to give Diwali Deepavali bonus. So whoever is having their shares, they will be getting equivalent amount of bonus before the Diwali comes. Now let us see whether is it possible to trade using our MSD iCore 2.0 on this stock also. So after knowing this information from the press, I just chose the Reliance Industry and applied our indicator. So as usual, I will go to the settings. I will give a reset settings. Default settings only I am keeping. Okay. We know once market has opened, two lines will be formed at the top and two lines will be formed at the bottom. If the market is coming and touching the bottom zone, we have to buy. See here, what is the exact low has made. You can see yourself. The exact low made is this point. Okay, this is the low made point and this is our entry point. 2716 is our entry point, and here you can see what was the low of the day. The day low was 2715 and our entry was 2716. So exactly we have got the buy entry. After buy activated, we have got the targets perfectly. Then it has reached the sell zone. The sell high made was 2748 and our entry price was 2749. So it has gone 2 points lesser than our sell zone. But once buy or sell is activated, we will be in the trend only. We will not trade against the trend. So now once buy or sell is activated, what we are supposed to do? Go to the indicator settings here and scroll down. Since buy activated, I am removing the sell. I am enabling the buy targets. If you want, you can enable extra buy targets. Buy target 1, buy target 2, buy target 3, extra targets and all you can add. Otherwise, you can keep simply default settings. So by default, there will be 3 targets. By default, there will be 3 targets only. So if you are satisfied with that 3 targets, that is well and good. So now what happened, you see, buy activated here, first target, second target, third target, fourth target and fifth target also exactly hit. Fifth target also exactly hit in the Reliance Industry. At least today, if you had invested in our Reliance Industry using our MSD iCore 2.0, then you would be getting a bonus in Diwali. So this is the small information we wanted to give you all. Okay, and for other information, BANKNIFTY, Nifty, Silver, Crude and all, already we have released video in Tamil. Just see the if you want to see the chart alone, then I can show you. And tomorrow how the market will be in BANKNIFTY, that analysis we will do now. In Tamil already I have released the video about tomorrow market analysis. So people who are not understanding Tamil, for them I will release one more video now in English. So now go to the indicator settings and select the market type tomorrow. That's all. If tomorrow market is touching this point 51,800, market will reverse again. If it is breaching the second line also, market will fall. If the market is coming and touching 51,164 and if you are getting bearish pattern there, we will be buying put option. If market is opening above this level, we will be buying call option. Very simple. So and today what happened? I have kept in 15 minutes. If you want to change, you can change it to 1 minute time frame, minimum time frame. So today what we did, here we bought call option. We booked some profit. Very good profit only we booked, not some profit. So again market has given one fall, then it has given the retracement. Exactly our sell entry got activated. Once again it has reached our buy zone, again we booked the profit. Once again buy activated, we booked the profit. Now today we are waiting for the, tomorrow we are waiting for the entry, and today we have done the analysis. So we know what will happen tomorrow. We should be ready with the strike prices. Whichever gets activated, that side we will be trading. Opposite side we will ignore. So as per yesterday's calculation, today result was awesome. We have made very good profit. And suppose if you are not able to trade in the morning session, for if you are going for office, if you are stuck in other work, then you can do with the noon market trade. So in noon market trade today what happened, you can see. So exactly sell activated. What is the time now? 2 p.m. sell activated. 52,127, that is we can take 52,200 put option. Once if you have taken 52,200, and very good profit you have got. So 160, 200, 300 points profit you have got using this method. It is very simple. It is very simple. You can make money. Nifty also we have got the very good profit. Silver and all accurate entry, crude oil accurate entry, natural gas accurate entry. So we cannot show you all the scripts in one video. It will take more time. That's what we are limiting to 1 or 2 scripts. Thank you all. Bye bye. If you are watching our video without subscribing to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, immediately subscribe. The name of the channel is MST School of Trading, and Telegram channel also same name, MST School of Trading. And for Diwali we are giving lifetime validity, that is double lifetime validity. Initially we are giving 5 years, and one more 5 years will be automatically updated for you at no cost if you are subscribing to lifetime plan within the Diwali. Okay, hope everything is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.